In this video, I'm going to show you how to make French toast. I'm going to start by showing you the best bread to use. I'm going to give you tips to achieve the perfect cook. And I'm going to give you 3 delicious variations: banana foster, strawberries and cream, and a cinnamon roll French toast. All along the way, we're going to have some fun and play with fire. The first step into making a great French toast is choosing the right bread. With so many options, it can be overwhelming. For best results, I recommend going to a higher-end grocery store or a bakery and picking up a loaf that you can slice yourself into thick pieces. My top choice is brioche. It's rich, buttery, and perfect for soaking up the custard. If you can't find brioche, challah bread is a close second. It's less rich, but still a great option. While white bread works in a pinch, I recommend avoiding standard sliced breads for this method, as it won't hold up well. Try to find something a little bit thicker for the best texture. So let's start by making the custard. You'll need 4 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Mix all of these ingredients together. The custard is what gives the French toast its tenderness, while allowing the outside to caramelize and form that beautiful crust. Now let's cook the French toast. Here's my secret for a perfect French toast: deep frying. I know it's not the traditional method, but trust me, it results in a much better texture and flavor. It's crispier, cooks faster, and has a rich flavor that you won't find from the griddle. To cook it, soak your bread for at least 15 seconds, and even longer for thicker slices. Then carefully fry it in oil that's heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. If the oil is too cool, the bread will be soggy. Too hot, and it will burn. Fry for about 2 minutes per side, then drain on a wire rack. Just look at this golden color and crispiness. Let's start our first variation, strawberries and cream. Start by prepping the strawberries. Remove the stem and cut them into quarters, then toss them with some granulated sugar. This starts the maceration process, which softens the berries and creates a sweet syrup. For whipped cream, you'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Before you make whipped cream, chill the bowl and whisk for at least 30 minutes. When it's done, start by whipping the cream until it thickens. When you make whipped cream, make sure you're not adding the powdered sugar at the beginning. This can sometimes hinder your ability to get those nice peaks that you're looking for. At the end, once your whipped cream's already thickened, add the sugar and vanilla slowly, folding them in until they're fully combined. Be careful not to overwhip. To serve, slice the French toast in half diagonally, shingling the pieces on the plate, and top with strawberries and whipped cream. Then, utilize and pour any syrup from the strawberries over the toast and finish the plate off with powdered sugar. Next, we're going to make the cinnamon roll French toast. Start by making the butter and brown sugar spread. To start, you're going to need 1 stick of butter and a 1/3 cup of dark brown sugar. Light brown sugar will work here too, but I prefer dark brown sugar for this because it's going to be a bit more moist, have a stronger and more robust molasses and toffee flavor, which I feel complements the French toast well. Light brown sugar is completely fine. It will just be slightly more pale in comparison with a mild caramel flavor. Take the butter and sugar and mix it together until smooth. You can use a mixer, but I prefer to do it by hand to avoid any extra dishes. Then finish it off with cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then just make sure it's mixed together until it's smooth. For the cream cheese glaze, you're going to need 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of whole milk, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whip the cream cheese until it's light and airy. Then add sugar, milk, and vanilla. If the glaze is too thick, add a little bit more milk, and if it's too runny, add more cream cheese. Now let's plate. Spread the brown butter sugar on a hot French toast that is fresh out of the oil. Then shingle the slices on the plate. Drizzle the cream cheese glaze over the toast to create that cinnamon roll look. And finally, the banana foster French toast, my favorite. Start by preparing 2 bananas, slicing them however you'd like. I prefer long, thin slices. For the sauce, you'll need a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, a 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 cup of dark rum, and a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Melt the butter, then add the sugar and cinnamon, cooking until the sugar dissolves. Add the bananas for color, cooking them for about 2 minutes. Deglaze the pan with rum, then carefully ignite it to flambe. Once the flame dies down, add the heavy cream and mix until it's combined. To serve, cut the French toast, shingle it, and pour the banana mixture over the top and finish with powdered sugar. And there you have it, 3 different variations of French toast: strawberries and cream, cinnamon roll, and banana foster. As always, thank you for watching. If you're new around here, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future recipes. I'll catch you in the next video.